everyone, how's it going? I'm Steph. Welcome to my channel, The Secret Slob. Today is the first day of the Spring Declutter Challenge. I am so excited for this. Every year, I like to go through my entire house, like everything, and go through all my stuff and decide really what deserves to live here and what doesn't. This year I have the added challenge of living in a new house and a lot of things haven't found a home yet. So I'll be trying to find homes for things, getting organized, and overall just decluttering and saying goodbye to some of those things that don't need to be here. I hope you'll join me for this challenge. I'm gonna post a new video every single day, and we have a brand new tracking sheet that you can follow along with. It's totally free. I'll put the link below. The challenge works like this. We are going to go slow and do one small project every single day. You don't have to have tons of time to dedicate to this. Just 5 or 10 or 15 minutes working in that area, you'll see tons of progress. So that'll be weekdays, 5 videos every week. And then on the weekends, I'm gonna focus on one area in my house that has gone completely crazy. It's so cluttered, it's completely overwhelmed with stuff. I don't even know where to start. So every week, 5 videos, 5 areas of my house, tiny ones, and then on the weekends, for 4 weekends, I'm gonna work in a big space. Spoiler, it's my craft room, and at the end I'll show you all the progress I've made in there. I wanted to up the ante and give you a little extra motivation, just in case you're feeling like not so motivated. I wanted to up the ante. Every single day of this challenge, I will be giving away a $100 gift card to one person who is subscribed to the channel and comments on the video that day. I was thinking at first we'd do like Amazon or Starbucks, but then I was like, you know, they've got enough money. So I want you to choose a store that's local to you, and we'll buy a gift card for you to spend there and keep that money in your hometown. So that's motivation from the videos, motivation with your printable, and I suggest you buy a bingo dauber because that's just fun. And if that doesn't work, hey, we've got money to light the fire and get you motivated to get decluttering. Today is day number 1, and I'm gonna start with an area that I personally feel like provides the best bang for your decluttering buck. It will make you feel so good. If this is the only thing you do in this challenge, you'll still be happy because every time you go to this space, it'll just look so much better. Have you guessed what I'm talking about yet? Nope, it's the junk drawer. Mine is in a real crazy state, so let's get started right now. You don't need much for supplies. Make sure you grab a box or some bags for donations, things that are gonna leave your home, and then some bags for garbage because there's always some of that. All right, let's get started. All right, so this is my hot spot. You've probably seen this before, and these are kind of my junk drawers. So this is all just one pile of exploding stuff, but it's stuff that we use all the time, and it would be really nice if it was organized and in a way that was easy for me to find things. So I'm gonna get to work organizing my junk drawers, getting some of this, it's gonna be mostly garbage, out of here, and then deciding on places for things, and that's where they'll live forever. An empty drawer. I had no idea. Amazing. That looks so much better. I know exactly where everything is. I actually found all of our scissors and the baby nail clippers, which I was looking for, which is kind of the best part of this process, finding things you've been looking for a long time and have no idea where they are. I'm gonna get rid of all these pens and pencils. I don't know why I was hoarding them in the first place, but I'm sure there'll be more pens and pencils in my life, so I'm gonna get rid of these. The thrift store will take these. I know that because I have bought pencils at the thrift store before. And I also have a nice little bag of garbage here to get rid of. So not tons to donate from the junk drawer because it's mostly stuff we use, but it's nice and organized, and I even have empty drawers. It's shocking, it's crazy. So that's day one. Get your junk drawer cleared out, cleaned out, get rid of any garbage that's in there, donate any extra pens. If you have tons and you think maybe you're gonna have some massive game of Pictionary at some point, you know, bundle them up and put them with your games. But everything else can probably just head on out the door. So I hope you join me this month for our Super Spring Declutter Challenge. Make sure you enter your name today and every day for the $100 gift card to a local store in your area. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. I am so excited for this, for me and for you and for anybody that sees this even a year from now. I'm so excited for this challenge for me and my house, and for you and your house. I know we're gonna see tons of progress and have a little bit of fun. All right, I will see you tomorrow for day number 2. Bye-bye.